Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and today we are going to have a look on this watch. So this is not a regular watch or regular smartwatch. This is basically a spy camera watch. So we are going to have a quick look on its feature, functionality, its performance in this quick review. So let's just start it. For a quick unboxing of its retail box. On the front side you will find the information that it's a camera watch. It comes with infrared feature, audio recording, video recording as well, and few of the highlighted features that captures image, video, audio recording, 12 megapixel camera. It's water resistance, not proof exactly. There are different models. The one we got is 8 GB internal storage model. Here are few of the technical specification of the wristwatch that it records video in AVI. Video resolution is 1080p Full HD. JPG is the picture format, and the picture is captured in 4:3 aspect ratio, and the memory used is NAND flash. First of all, let's have a look on the design of this wristwatch. As you can see, it's pretty beautiful. Looks like a regular watch. There are lots of stuff on the dial, but only the arrows for minutes, seconds and hour are working. The rest of the stuff is all dummy. And then we got lots of crowns here, and each of them is designed to perform a particular task. For example, this crown is used to change the imaging mode and turn on the infrared lights. This is to charge the watch and connect it to computer. Here it is to capture the image or video. This is to adjust the time, and here is the microphone of the wristwatch. The front side of this watch is really beautiful, and here is a tiny LED indicator that shows that imaging mode is currently working. At the bottom there is the camera lens. These are the 4 infrared LEDs for night vision. Overall design of the watch is really good, and when you are not using it for taking images or recording videos, you can use it as a regular watch and nobody will be able to identify that it's not a regular watch. The second crown on the left hand side can be opened to connect the USB cable to charge the wristwatch or to connect the wristwatch to computer for data transfer. But you need to keep this thing in mind that if you lose this crown somehow, then your wristwatch will look ugly and it will be prone to damage by water and dust as well. So this is how you can connect your watch to the PC for data transfer or to charge it. The overall design of this Spy Camera wristwatch is really good, and the metal body feels so good in hand and looks premium as well as a wristwatch. Setup is really easy. All you need to do is press this crown to start the camera and it will start recording the video, and you just need to press twice to stop recording the video, and then you can use this crown to change the imaging mode, and this tiny LED indicator will keep showing in which mode you are. If you press and hold this crown for a while, then the IR LEDs will turn on, as you can see, and then you can use it for night vision. And then you can just press once to change the imaging mode from video to audio to image, and it records video in 1080p Full HD resolution. Even though the resolution is Full HD, the video quality is not so good, and sometimes it looks like it's being recorded with a filter. And since there is no stabilization, it's better to not make so many moves while recording the video to avoid shakes. The picture quality is same as the video quality, is not so great, and sometimes it also comes with a bit of tint, but it serves the purpose because this wristwatch is designed to capture the images and record videos privately in the spy mode, and for that this device is perfect. This gadget is perfect. It records videos with audio and a timestamp, and you can also record audio separately. It's one of the recording mode provided. Talking about the night vision, it works nicely, but it's not so great, so you must not rely so much on it if you are going to record the videos or take pictures in pitch black environment. It comes with 8 GB internal storage. There is no micro SD card slot provided, so you need to keep clear the storage time to time by backing up the data on your PC. The battery life of this Spy Camera wristwatch is really good. You can record up to 90 minutes of video in one go, so the performance of battery is quite good. So if you are looking for a nice spy gadget, then this is one of the best option for you, because you can use it as a beautiful regular watch as well. It serves the purpose of a wristwatch and also of a spy camera. The design of the device is really good, and all of the camera components are very well hidden, so nobody will come to know that you got a spy camera in your wristwatch. The link of this product is given in the description of this video. If you're interested, you can just visit the link to buy this nice spy camera wristwatch. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.